Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got today another new customer, and this customer owns this lovely 2007 Toyota RAV4 with a 4-cylinder engine. It's a 4-wheel drive, and I'm doing very detailed inspection for this vehicle. This one actually came to California from Utah, so as you will expect, there will be some rust on the body, but nothing catastrophic, definitely. So far, so good. Vehicle has almost brand new tires, but when it came, there was that steady tire pressure warning light in the dashboard. Other than that, there are no codes, it's ready to smoke, everything's fine. But I would love to help her, hopefully we can help her together and get rid of that warning light. So when I had that truck on the lift, I saw there are the sensors, the aluminum or steel sensors, they are in the rims, so that's okay. They're present, and I checked the tire pressures and they were a little bit too low. I don't know why. The pressures were approximately 28, 29, so I change it to the 32. Hopefully we can reset the system and help her to drive safely around. Let me show you what I was talking about. Also, you will see the mileage. Always ask, hey, put us in the picture and tell us the mileage of the vehicle. So this one has 126, 118 miles, and you see on the left that pesky tire pressure light. It's unfortunately there. And you guys are experts, you know if it was flashing, that will mean malfunction in the system, but when it's steady, it just says that one of the tires is low. Now this RAV4, don't look for the reset button anywhere down here, because this system this year was designed when you have a correct pressures, it will go off by itself after a while. But what do you say? It didn't go, but you know, in some cases the spare tire actually could have a valve, and we have to go and check for that. If this vehicle has that spare, this is like a zipper. If this has a spare which also has that valve, we could be adjusting the tire pressures around and scratching our heads. What's going on with it? Why is it not cooperating? And it will never go off, and that's possibly what happened with this customer, because look at this. What you don't see, there is another valve right here which is sending the signal to the tire pressure monitor computer. This is definitely not inflated enough, and maybe that's what happened. Maybe that's where the tire shops didn't realize that this needs to be done too, and she's driving, oh yeah, that is like 22 psi only. Okay, of course it's an extra effort, everybody is in a hurry, nobody has the time, and she will have to look in that only one light in her dashboard, and we don't want that, right? We want her, it's a new customer, we need to do it right for her. The tire pressures here are 32, the spare you always put a little bit more, 34 and up to 36, it will not hurt it. I will just show you really quick the detail. You see it there? It's not a rubber valve stem, but it's a steel one. I think that aluminum. So you know immediately it has a sensor, and it was low. So let's cross fingers. We will put this back together, go start it up and see if the light will goes off. And these are the things I keep talking about, I have to find the time. I have to find the time for a customer like this. It's a new customer. I better go and check everything correctly for her. So this can take up to 3 minutes, but the light actually, because it doesn't have a reset switch, should go off. Did you see it, my friend? Did you see it? I bet you we will have a very happy customer. She had to put up with this. This orange light was in her face all the time. She bought this vehicle recently, but I bet you she will be very happy. We did something good for her, definitely. So I gotta get going. I have another car outside waiting for another service, but I hope you find this video helpful. That can answer your question about dealing with this tire pressure light, which is steady. It was flashing once again. That's a malfunction, but when it's steady, it means the sensors are showing low pressure. So please make sure you are subscribed, because as you know, I have always more videos coming our way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.